Hello friends, welcome to my channel Get Rest with Knowledge. My name is Rohit, and this is my very first video on the channel. Party Popper. In this series, I'm going to teach you SQL step by step.
SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the language we use to communicate with relational databases. What is a database? A database is an organized collection of data that is stored so we can easily access, manage, and update it. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet or a library. Everything has its place, and you can quickly find what you need. For example, a school keeps a database of students, teachers, and courses. An online shop keeps a database of products, orders, and customers. Banks keep databases of accounts and transactions.
Databases come in different types depending on how they store and manage data. The main types are relational databases. RDBMS stores data in tables with rows and columns. Examples: MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, PostgreSQL. Uses SQL to manage data. NoSQL databases stores data in a flexible way, like documents or key-value pairs. Examples: MongoDB, Cassandra, great for big data or unstructured data. In-memory databases stores data in the computer's memory for super-fast access. Example: Redis. Cloud databases, hosted on the internet, easy to scale and access. Examples: Amazon RDS, Google Firebase.